A lot of you know Vitalik as the face of Ethereum blockchain, but did you know that there are about 8 people that built Ethereum blockchain together? You did not know. I got you covered. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you about the 8 people that built Ethereum blockchain, what they do and what they contribute to the blockchain. Can we dive in? Let's dive in. The first person there is called Vitalik Buterin, the face of Ethereum, in which all of us know. Now, the first of them is called Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik Buterin is the face of Ethereum, in which all of us know today as the face of Ethereum. But this man is not the only one that built this blockchain. What happened? What did he contribute? Now, this man had the idea of building Ethereum blockchain, but he did not have enough of support. He did not have this finance. He did not have the community management skill to actually build this thing. Now come up with an idea that he will write the white paper. After writing the white paper, he published this white paper around 2013. After publishing this white paper, a lot of people saw this and they were interested to come in as a co-founder in the ecosystem. Now, after Vitalik publishing this, a lot of people sent in an email to actually help in building this thing together. Now, and we are going to talk about all of them one by one. Let's keep moving. Now, there's one Bitcoin conference that do happen in Miami. Now, this conference do come up with a lot of founder, a lot of people to build on Bitcoin. Now, when this conference actually happen, a lot of them that actually want to contribute to Ethereum blockchain, they come up together to actually speak with Vitalik Buterin. When they come up together, 8 of them actually come up to have this meeting. Now, in which we have someone like Gavin Wood. Gavin Wood is one of the early people that actually come up, and this Gavin Wood is the man that actually code this thing. Now, in this 2013, this Gavin Wood now come into this picture. Gavin Wood now said, okay, let's write the yellow paper of Ethereum blockchain. Now, this man called Gavin Wood actually writes the yellow paper of Ethereum blockchain. After writing the Ethereum, this man actually understands how to create solidity. This man now creates the solidity. Now, Vitalik and Gavin, 2 combination, they already have the idea of coding. Both of them started coding. Now, and another one now come into the picture called Joseph Lubin. Joseph Lubin is one of the men that actually understand about building, actually bringing structure into the ecosystem. This man now come up with that, okay, he's going to bring structure into the ecosystem, that okay, we can't just build, let's have people that will build on this chain. Now, this man has started funding projects to actually build on Ethereum blockchain, in which this man come up with consensus called, now that man is called Joseph Lubin. Joseph Lubin keep helping in Ethereum blockchain. Now, we now have another man called Charles Hoskinson. Charles Hoskinson now come up, this man have a business idea of it. Now, Charles Hoskinson now come up with that, okay, we are going to build a business part of it, how we are going to sell this market to investor. When Charles Hoskinson keep talking about this, a lot of them were coding, like Gavin Wood were coding, Vitalik were coding, but them were actually building about the business part. But something happened with Charles Hoskinson, with Vitalik. Charles Hoskinson wants Ethereum to be a company, but Vitalik said no, he wants it to be decentralized. And around that 2014, Vitalik and Charles Hoskinson actually departed. Yes, let's continue. Another person in this picture is called Mia Alisi. Mia Alisi is like a community manager. This man know how to gather people to come into the ecosystem. This man keep gathering people talking about Ethereum blockchain. When they want to have conference, this man go up and call community to come into the picture. Now, this man actually know about organizing the community member. Yes, you know that Vitalik alone can't do all these things. Mia Alisi actually did this thing. For Ethereum blockchain. Did you get? Another person we have in the ecosystem is called Anthony Di. This man is an early Bitcoin investor from Canada. Now, this man have a lot of money, and this man come in as a founder in this ecosystem. Now, when this man actually hear about Ethereum, this man actually come out that, okay, I'm going to donate funds to you guys. Now, this man actually donates a lot of money to Ethereum blockchain. When nobody actually know Ethereum, Anthony actually donates his money to this ecosystem, and people actually love this man, and this blockchain actually keep moving. We now have another person called Amin Sherit. Amin Sherit is one of the men that actually come up with governance. This man know about the governance and legal practices. Now, this man actually keep structuring about the legal practices. Okay, we can't do this, we can do this. Now, this man actually come up with that idea, and this man contribute a lot to this blockchain. Yes, that's Anna is one of the early co-founder of Ethereum blockchain. We now have another person called Jeffrey Wake. Jeffrey Wake actually know about coding. He actually have idea about coding, and he actually built the Go Ethereum. Yes, actually built the Go Ethereum that people actually use today. Now, Jeffrey Wake actually is actually the one that built this. Jeffrey Wake, Gavin Wood, Vitalik Buterin. Three of them actually know about coding, while Anthony is the fund donator. Did you get? These are the people that actually make early contributing into this blockchain. Did you get something? These are the 8 co-founder of Ethereum blockchain. If you ever remember Ethereum blockchain, remember these people like Vitalik Buterin, Gavin Wood, Charles Ockerson, Anthony. These people are one of the amazing people that contribute a lot to the blockchain of Ethereum. Did you get? I am Nunat, and this is Nunat.coinage. Here we talk about depth story like this. If you ever enjoyed this story, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will really love that. Thank you.